guys, welcome to my channel. It's me Suma. Thank you so much for watching. So today we are doing a Club Factory haul. So this is the first time ever, it's going to be a haul slash review slash first impressions, to be very honest. So this is the first time ever I'm doing a Club Factory haul, and I've never bought before from Club Factory. This is the first purchase of mine, so I thought I'll share it with you, and I hope there are few people who trust my reviews, certain reviews I do. So this is for all of them who wants to have a clear review, because as you all know, I speak what I know. So yes, let's get started. And my lipstick may look a bit weird to few of you, but it is from Try Sugar. I forgot the shade name, but I'll link in the description box. So let's move into the video. So guys, to start off with, the bag I received is like this, and everything you get is in this. It might be anything they'll give you in this, kind of a polythene bag package, and yep, and they might put few those bubble wraps around them, if there are some fragile items. So let's get started. And I'm a person who wouldn't buy random stuff. I would buy them if I really want them in my life. So that's how I am. So guys, the first one I would like to share with you all is this handbag. So this is how the handbag looks like. So they've given this kind of a thingy, and it doesn't smell good. I don't know, it has a very scent smell which I'm very nauseous to such scents, and it has these very nice clutchy things. I mean, clutchy in the sense nice kind of cat shaped, kitty shaped kind of these handles for you to handle. And this is how the bag looks like. And the only downside is that here they have written a name here which I didn't actually like. So the thing is that they have written it with the yellow goldy thing. So what they might have done is that they might have given some kind of a badges with letters. That might have looked well, but it is really good. I'll do something with this. I'll definitely change it up. And then this bag comes with this strap, and you can just wear it and roll with it, or you can just catch it like this. But this is a very cute bag, guys, very cute bag. Next item in this haul is this Cecilia comb, and this is kind of like a tangle tease. So this is the tangle, this is kind of like that comb which is also called as tangle teaser, and this is how it looks like. So I have seen many people using it. The reason I got it is because this would, I wouldn't put this on my curly hair, like come on, I wouldn't do it. But I actually bought it to use it to comb my hair when it is totally oiled, or I can use it to styling my curls, because styling in the sense after the shower I use curl cream or gel on my hair, and when I comb with such a tangle teaser kind of a thingy, it would help me for the uniform distribution of the product that I'm applying on my hair. So that's the reason I got it. And it looks nice, but the thing is that these bristles are like, okay, so if you can see, I have tried combing with this comb, and immediately these bristles actually were bent. So these bristles are not so strong, they're very mild, so you can't use them on dry hair, or you can't use them to detangle your hair so much, because the bristles are not so strong. But then they have good hold. I mean, come on, you can use on wet hair, but I wouldn't say you get it for long run, because the bristles would bend anyways. So I think you can pass on this if you want to and get a better one for better price, but for the price you pay. But then combs are not meant to be paid in thousands. Like I wouldn't pay 500 bucks on a comb, I wouldn't do it. So I think the quality might have been a bit better, but then it is really good. If you have this kind of a comb, let me know if it actually bends. I mean, let me know if the bristles actually bend like this. I would like to know about it. Comment below. So guys, the third one, or the next one in this haul, is this cute little microfiber towel. Being a curly head, I need soft material, or anti-frizz material to to dry my hair, or to put it in a towel. So for that I got this cute little microfiber towel cap. This is so cute, and the after shower you need to put your hair in this, and I mean, it is a cap, so it's not just to wear it like so, but then it looks so cute. So this is a microfiber towel actually. So you put your, after shampooing and conditioning, you put your hair in this towel cap, that, you know, that way the moisture is not gone but your hair is dry. You know, it actually air dries, you can say. So it actually dries your hair. So that's what this towel cap does for you. So if you have frizzy hair, I would definitely recommend this kind of a shower cap. And now coming to the material is very soft. I wasn't expecting it to be very soft, as you know, it is from Club Factory, but it is really good, and it is a stretchy thing, so you can fit your head and put it up. And also the material is really soft, really nice. So if you are looking for a good shower cap, you know, in affordable rates, I think you can check it out because the condition is really nice. Let's move on to the next product. And guys, I forgot to mention, the shower cap comes in this Ziploc bag, which is really amazing. You can just Ziploc it up and put it down. So I was looking for good organizers for my makeup and all that stuff. So I found these cute little plastic cup kind of a thingies. And wait, so these are actually 5 or 4? 5. Okay, so these are actually a set of 5, and they're really affordable, and this is how they look like, and they fill in a lot of stuff. So these days I have been accumulating so much of makeup, I don't know why. I mean, not just makeup, it can be skincare and hair care. So I thought maybe I'll get these and try how they are. This is not sturdy, like it's not sturdy hard. You can just flimse it up like this or flimse it up like this as well. That means it's not of that sturdy plastic quality material, and I don't think you can rip it apart. I don't think that happens, but it actually holds in place a lot of stuff. I mean, you can put your lipsticks, lip balms, or you can put your mascaras, or you know, eye makeup brushes, and I've got 5 of them for a very good price. I think it's a steal, guys. So if you are looking for good organizers or mugs like this, please go ahead and give it a try. But as I said, they are not sturdy, they're flimsy. But if you think flimsy bhi chalta hai, I think you can. The traveling spray bottle set along with 2 little bowls. So this comes in a Ziploc bag as well. So in this you get 3 bottles like this. So if you are traveling, and see, this set is very important for me because if I'm traveling, I can't carry my big curling creams, curling thingies and all that, because my hair care routine is very much important for me, and that's the reason I think these will come to use a lot. So this is a spraying bottle, it's a misting bottle, like you can mist it up like this, and these 2 are like, you know, good plastic containers for shampoo, conditioner, and some rose water or face mist. And then I have this pumping thing. So this is a pump thing. So if you ask me where I would use it, and the uses are very personalized, guys. Like some few things which I use, you might not use them in the same way. That's how it is. So for this, the first use I actually thought I'll do it is using it for my flaxseed gel. So sometimes I make flaxseed gel at home for my hair. So I thought I'll use it because flaxseed gel actually lasts me only for 2 weeks. I don't use flaxseed gel for more. I don't store it for more weeks. So there's a little cute tiny thing which would help me create my own flaxseed gel, and I can just pump it and use it on my hair. So these are the 4 things which comes in it, and then we have two tiny boxes where you can, you know, if you are using like, see, we people actually buy hand creams, lotions, I mean hand creams in the sense, you know, lotions and body scrubs and all them in big tubs. So if you are someone traveling and if you want to carry only, you know, some small amounts, I think this comes very handy, guys. So if you're looking for something like that, I would highly suggest to get these. And coming to the quality, again, these are not very sturdy, but they do this thing, but they're not very weak as well. They're really good, strong material, and this cap is not at all flimsy. It is very nicely done. So I think you can give it a try. Before moving on to the jewelry, I have another one. So this is actually an eyelash placer or eyelash holder. So this is how it looks like. So what you do, you take an eyelash and you put it. So this helps you in placing your eyelash properly because it's given an arch here. So if you are a struggler with eyelashes, or if you are a makeup beginner in makeup and into makeup, I think this kind of things help. I actually have seen them on Amazon as well, but then I found it on Club Factory and for a good price. So I thought I'll get it and this is it. So moving on with the jewelry, I wouldn't talk so much about the jewelry, guys, but I will be showing you all the pieces by wearing so that you'll have an idea about it. And to overall tell you about jewelry, I think Club Factory is a really good place for you to try good jewelry, guys. And I wouldn't say I will use this jewelry for next 2 years, I wouldn't say that, but I would store them. So storing jewelry is very important if you want them in long run. So do not blame the company if you're not storing well, because I see that so much. And this is all fake jewelry, it's not gold or real silver, because sometimes real gold and silver also tends to dull if you're not keeping a good care of them. So that is it with it. And so guys, those are all the things which I've shown you are in this haul. So the major amount has been with the bag, I think that's why I couldn't show you so much of jewelry. But then there is a part 2 might come because I placed another order, but it's not here yet. But then I really hope you like this video. To place the product link, it's a bit difficult for me as I shopped it from the website, but then I'll put up the the product details and the price in the description box. Please do check it, and also you can actually use my invite code. That way you get 5% off, as well as whenever you use that invite code I would get a 5% off. I think we share a 5% off. I think that is how it works. I don't know, but then yeah, it is like that. So I would put the invite link as well in the description box. If you feel free, you can use it. And my final verdict about it is that jewelry, I think I'm very much impressed with the jewelry. I think it depends on the selection, like your personal choice. But then whatever I've shown you, I'm very impressed as per the jewelry part. And coming to the cons, I would suggest you not to buy bulky things like acrylic boxes and all that stuff, because that would break while in transport, because they don't give it in a box, they give it in a pack. So please do not buy fragile items on Club Factory. I mean, if you're dare enough, you can buy. I wouldn't say don't buy. The quality might be hell lot of good, but then I just want you not to take a chance. So yeah, it took me around 8 days for the package to arrive. So everything is safe as I've shown you, nothing has gone bad. I also ordered 1,000 pieces of cotton pads from Club Factory because I just want to check, but then that is out of stock, so they refunded me back the money. So I think they're really good at it. I mean, I didn't contact them saying, hey, did you refund, but then it took me 5 days for the refund to come back. So it's not that kind of a fraud app, I would say, because you see a tons of Club Factory hauls on YouTube here. And I really hope you like my video on Club Factory. So yes, this is it, and I would see you in my next video. And I really hope you enjoyed my picks as well. So if you like, you can take some inspiration from my haul and get some needy stuff, not just random stuff, because money is important as well. Don't just splurge it. Okay, so yes, I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care, have a great day or evening or night, whatever you are at, and stay safe. Bye bye.